All right, 2004 Grand Marquis Crown Vic windshield washer pump. Real simple to get to. The air box, which is right here. Okay, real simple. Take the plug off the mass airflow sensor. This screw here, and then there's 3 7/16 that hold the whole air box in, and then there's a snout that goes in here about 4 inches. Kind of just lift it up. Take this off, tip it up, and then pull it out. And then right here, you can't see it, but there's 2 7/16 that hold this washer bottle in. And what happens with the washer bottles is the pump will go out, but the pump won't go out because of fault. The pump will go out because of the scum that's in the washer solvent. Nothing can get through there. You can actually put water in there. This is actually some sticky crap that's in the windshield washer solvent. You know, you need to take, I'd say probably at least once a year, you know, drain the washer solvent, go in here with a hose pipe, and just blast the shit out of this. This here goes in here. And then the washer pump goes in there. And what happens is it starves this pump out. And it just ends up burning up. I've seen them where you replace the pump and it still won't spray any washer solvent. It's because this is plugged up. Look at the scum on that. It's the stuff that's in the washer solvent, the additives and stuff that they put in that burns this up. But this is bad. I've checked it. I checked for 12 volts at that plug. It works fine. Plug the pump in, push the button, nothing. So we know the pump's bad. They don't come most of the time with these screens, so you got to clean these screens out. And then what I'll do is I'll soak this rubber thing down with some silicone spray. And what that does is the silicone actually kind of soaks into the rubber and makes it pliable, kind of swells it up again, makes it to where it will seal. I didn't have a leak problem before, but you never know. And the other thing is in the wintertime, a lot of people don't know this, but you know, you get those wind whistles and stuff in your car. Get you some pure silicone spray and just soak this, okay? All the way around. Inside of your car is going to smell like silicone for a couple of days. And then just, you know, if it drips down, don't worry about it. It's not going to hurt anything. The other thing is you go to the car wash, you know, get this into. You go to the car wash, you get your car washed, then it freezes overnight. Then you go to pull your door open and rip the weather strip right off the door. These ain't cheap from Ford. If I had to guess, you're probably looking at 100 and a half for one door from Ford. And then if you tear these up, it's, you know, the same thing. If you keep them silicone and sprayed up, you know, do this rubber, anything that's all right, I went ahead and give that tank a good cleaning. Poured some isopropyl alcohol in there and rinsed it out. Put some silicone on my, they gave you a new screen with the new pump. I mean, it goes in that easy. That's it. Okay? Then you come over here. That line goes on the bottom of the pump. Plug it in. You got 2 of these that hold it to the side of the car right here. And then put your air box back in with 3 bolts on them rubber mounts. Tighten that screw down. And that's it. Alright. We'll try and do this real time. I tucked that lid back behind there so I could waste some of this. Okay. Got probably a quart of it on the floor. I don't know if the washers are in the hood or not. I don't think they are, but let me just click the hood down so we can. All right. Get the keys here. Oh, look at there. Sprays on both sides. Isn't that amazing? Less than $20 to fix that. All right.